Hey guys, hope you're doing well. A question we often get asked, especially when it concerns pine straw, is how often should I replace the pine straw? So we, as a general rule with pine straw, we do it twice a year, spring and fall. We don't actually remove the pine straw but once a year. Typically we say to do it in the springtime just because you're going to be able to get the enjoyment of all spring, summer, and fall. But a lot of times what you need to do is just once a year you want to completely rake out all of the old decomposing pine straw and then start over fresh. And then once a year all you really need to do is just come in and just kind of add to the layer, fluffing it up, maybe replace some areas that have washed out or for whatever reason the pine straw is just really deteriorated or not present. So, but as a general rule with pine straw, you want to completely rake out and replace once a year, and then you just want to fluff up and add to once a year. So hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.